And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone.
Damn, I ain't been going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I ain't been going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Briana Marie, and I'm back up in the building, honey, showing my face. Back, and I am trying to put as many tutorials out as I can. I tried to hurry up and do this tutorial, so it is probably creasing. I actually love this hairstyle. I would personally like this hairstyle if this hairstyle was actual bundles that I installed. It's really pretty. The only thing is it's too big for my head, and also we didn't tweeze the front, so I will have to tweeze the front, and it's also really frizzy. This hair is called Ghair. I will have a tutorial link down below of my mom doing this actual hairstyle, so don't forget to go check that link in the description bar below. I don't want to keep you long, nor do I want to keep myself long because I want to go to bed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, let's get this video to 50,000 views. Let's see if we can do that. Thanks to all the old dolls sticking around and also the new ones coming in. Welcome. And also, when you subscribe, don't forget to press that notification bell on the side so that you will always receive notifications from me. To see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hey dolls, I know y'all missed me because I missed y'all. So my brows was Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony, and I used MAC Pro 1 concealer in NC45, and also LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey. You hear me coughing throughout the video, even if I put it in, or the way I sound is that's because I got a cold. I always have colds. I don't know. It's like my sinuses get with me. I get a cold, like, so everything. First thing I'm going to use for my brow bone, and y'all already know I go on with the Morphe 213 brush. And I'm just going to take this Amrezy highlighter real quick. This outfit that I want to wear, and I'm going to go based off that. So it's white, red, and black. I think it's black. I'm 504, and I'm going to dig in this shade out of the Nior shadows. I think that's how you say it. It's called Coral. Y'all, my skin was clearing up. It still is, as you can tell. This side is getting clear. This side is getting clear, but this right here was coming in, and the bump, it wasn't over here. It was right here underneath that. So the bump was coming in, and my mom, I sound like I'm so stuffed up. Sorry, y'all. It looks bad. But my mama told me to put apple cider on it. But not knowing how strong apple cider is, it's like acid as well. I put that on there, and I was fine at first. So then I was like, man, this bump got to go down, because that bump was getting big and it was hurting. Like, it was, but like more pus was coming in it. Like, it continued to grow. And I was like, let me put some antiseptic and some alcohol on it. So I didn't do the alcohol. I did the antiseptic. Antiseptic. Y'all know what I'm saying. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. I put that on my skin, y'all. And I woke up the next day. Well, no. Towards the middle of the night, this started to swell. Like, it started to get big. It was like, then when I woke up in the morning, I was like, I ain't sleeping in your room no more. A spider that bit me. So I know a spider that bit me. It's 1/2 night. And, like, I was too mad. Because, like, when I'm trying to do something, I don't want, you know, nothing to happen. I'm trying to clear my face up. So I was like, oh my god, here we go again. Now I gotta clear this up. Everything was going good. Like, this side was getting real clear, like this side was getting clear, but this one I had to work on. But it was fine because it was that like one little mark But this had to come. So now it's like, oh my god, I'm still irritated. I'm going to take my Morphe 441 brush, and I am going to go into this red shade. It's called Kiss Me. I forgot this camera is not autofocus. So bad. So I'm going with my Sahara 2 palette, and I'm going with this burgundy. You know I love this burgundy because this burgundy is at 10. First off, from the inner crease, working our way on up and out. Is medium beige, and I'm going in with my Inglot 22T brush. Rest of this silver, and I'm going to put this just in the corner. For the silver, I'm going to take this white out of the Suva Beauty palette. Then I'm going to go over coral. And I'm going to take that burgundy. This is really dramatic. Lashes are really little. These are called Billionaire lashes by Mariah Murkin. Taking my Huda Beauty a primer that I always take every time. Use no clients and myself. I have to go get some more because I am running out. We're about to cover this mark right here. I'm going to use my Urban Decay by itself. that's it. So y'all know me, I love these gold drops and everything. I'm gonna try these new ones. This is Revolution. Cream contour highlighted my cream contour with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes, Earth as a foundation stick. And then what I did to powder my face was I used the Mineralize Skinfinish by MAC in the dark Revolution drugstore highlighters in the shade C11 to C12. And then I also went in with this Mercier setting powder to set. And I also went in with my black Radiance contour to contour my face a little bit. I didn't bronze anything, just contour. Like this glow with everything, because it got that goldy, and then this one has that yellowy kind of, and so it's everything. Like I have to mix this with that. I'm taking Sienna. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And also share this video. See you guys on the next one.